Do you feel like you live in a democracy? Do you feel your voice counts in national decisions? If not, this video can help. From the perspective of the Interior Ministry, we will explain in a few minutes a fundamental rule for participating in social life, which is organization. The state is the body that allows us to live together in society. It is clear that as a society, our interests and ways of thinking do not always align. And so, what at one moment seems like an ideal solution for some can be a problem for others. This is why citizen dissatisfaction has become a constant. Furthermore, distrust easily leads to a paralyzing skepticism. And for this reason, we often stop participating, but then, what can we do to participate in state decisions? Basically, the answer is organization. Organization is the language of the state. It connects the diverse will of the citizenry with government decisions. Meaning, getting organized is the most effective strategy to seek change. In the 1991 Constitution, citizen participation was established as a fundamental right, so to speak. This participation is the condition for a democratic state to be possible, and since it is mandatory to defend these rights on July 6, 2026, a great tool was approved to guarantee and strengthen citizen participation. It was called Statutory Law 1757 on citizen participation. It is not the catchiest name, but what matters is knowing what it entails. Essentially, this law guides citizen participation through three fundamental pillars. The first involves participation mechanisms. This includes popular consultations, open town halls, plebiscites, referendums, popular initiatives, recalls, and of course, voting. The second pillar brings together public accountability and social oversight of public affairs. This dual function acts as a solvent to clean and clarify administrative actions, answering questions like, how much money is there? What will be done with it? What has already been done? And how was it done? This allows every citizen to demand timely answers on relevant issues. And finally, the novel part of this law is the coordination for citizen participation. For this, a permanent advisory body was created, the National Council for Citizen Participation, which brings together the Interior Ministry, the National Planning Department, one representative for regional governments and another for local municipalities nationwide, alongside leaders from various civil society organizations. So, before you lose hope for positive change and fall into an endless cycle of complaints, we invite you to learn more at the official government participation website, govsite.gov.